Hello and welcome back, Seafords. A few months ago, Tumblr was banned in Pakistan, and I was a big fan of its aesthetic post styles. So, I had to find a way to maintain that style. This is when Canva became my alternative for post editing on Tumblr. I use Canva for all my academic and professional work, including presentations, notes, scientific poster competitions, and more as a student, and it has never disappointed me. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how I created my Tumblr template using Canva and how I edit my posts. I will demonstrate the process on my mobile device, but you can follow the same steps using your laptop as well. Start by going to any app store and downloading Canva. If you're a student, you can sign up for the canvaeducation program to access all the premium features for free. I won't be using Canva Pro for this video because the canvaeducation program is not available in Pakistan, at least not for our institute. Let's move on to Canva. You'll find hundreds of thousands of templates here, but we'll be creating our own. Click on the plus icon. You can also create posts of any customized size by clicking here, but for now, I'll search for Instagram posts. I'll choose the portrait style since my feed uses these dimensions. While you can add a template from the Canva template library, we'll be creating ours from scratch. First things first, let's create the template, and then we'll move on to editing a post. Add the picture frame from the Elements section and search for the grid. You can directly add pictures and videos from your gallery or the Canva library to this blank page, but using grid frames provides more flexibility in manipulating the frame dimensions. Next, we'll add a text box below this frame. I typically use this font. You can adjust the font size according to your needs. Similar to the Tumblr style, we'll include a username on the left side and 3 dots on the right side. Keep in mind that these elements are optional. And there you have it. The template is complete. Now, let's move on to editing a post. Click on the frame, and then click Replace. You can upload your own image, or choose one from the Canva Photos library. For this example, I'll use an image from the Canva library. Proceed to edit the text. You can either copy and paste the text, or type your own. You can also apply text animations. One of my favorite animations in Canva is the typewriter effect. This is my process for creating posts. You can explore Canva for endless possibilities based on your needs. Before you begin editing for your own page, be sure to make a copy of this template. This way, if you accidentally make any changes to the template or design, you'll have the original preserved. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful